Hello everyone, I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here. Today I am doing another ribbon pour with swipe with my Aussie floetrol. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell as well as the thumbs up, and follow me over on Instagram at thisis.amymoss. So I'm doing this ribbon swipe with my Aussie floetrol swipe. I am going to attempt to leave some negative space with this piece, which it didn't completely turn out exactly how I was hoping, but in the end it turns out to be a really beautiful piece. When I do these kinds of pours, I always like to put down my metallics first. So the first colors down there are 24 karat gold by DecoArt, as well as champagne gold by DecoArt, and then burnt umber. I think the next one was a phthalo blue, my Pebeo iridescent green yellow, and my Pebeo's iridescent green blue. And then I'm going to swipe through, add some white, and tilt this out in attempt to make some negative space. So this is me showing how I load up my large palette knife. I really don't like to waste as much of my Australian floetrol as possible because it's so expensive. For me here in Canada, for a 500 ml bottle, it's $80 Canadian. So that's a lot. So I'm super careful. I don't like to pour it out onto something and then dip my knife into it because I feel like I'm wasting too much. So I pour it directly on my palette and then tilt it off back into the plastic container that I store it into. And I mix my Aussie floetrol, 3 parts Aussie floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam titanium white. I'm gonna throw on a little bit of music here and I will see you during the close-up at the end.
she wandered it round. Will she ever know the feeling of tears? All she said to them was live your life just like you're young again. No, don't you cry, just get back up again. 'Cause she wanna laugh and live it better. She want love and stay together. She wanna smile and be forever.
All right, here we are with the close-up. I love these colors together. I love the phthalo blue. That dark turquoisey blue is so pretty with these colors. And I'm really loving the iridescent. The Pebeo iridescent paints are just amazing. I love trying to add those into all of my pieces just for that iridescent color shift. But this piece is super pretty. Like I said, it didn't turn out exactly how I wanted with the negative space, but I'm really happy with the final results. And I have this piece hanging on my wall as I come up the stairs into my art studio, and I see it every day, and I'm really happy with the final results. All right, so have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!